Guys, Daniel here. My soft just alerted me this coin is gonna pump soon. The coin name is Sakura, guys. Buyer power over 99%. You got a volume of 731 million. I shared this trade in the private list 2 days ago. Buy at 0.009, sell at 0.018. Amazing return. You see so many volume spike here. That's how you make money, guys. We buy low and sell up high. The reason I share my trades in the private list because we increase the buyer power. Just think about it. More people buy the same coin at the same time, price goes up faster. So we trade as a family. Trade crypto time at gmail.com. Guys, this is a lifetime opportunity. You cannot make more money than that. It's impossible. Look, here we go. Price pump, hour get fuel. Happen out of the blue, it's just like a pressure cooker. Overall today, you have 625% profit. Let me show you the trades I share in the private list. Was Linear Finance, Pixie, AlphaDEX, Sakura, just talk about HIMAYC, Aurigami. Guys, take a look how much volume we talk about here. 2.4, 736 million, 500,000, 745. Take a look linear finance. 224 million, guys. It's insane. That's how you make money, guys. Take a look this here. Linear finance. I shared this trade in the private list on March 12, guys. March 12. We bought this coin for 0.0067 and we put a sell order right here. Our order just get filled today, 0.015. Linear finance, guys. It's a swing trade. And AlphaDEX was a day trade. I'm gonna give you an example how this thing works. Shared this trade in the private list 2 days ago. We bought this coin for 0.01 and put a sell order 0.015. Our order didn't get fuel yet. It's about to get fuel. Don't worry about it. It's gonna be about $5,000. Okay, here we go, guys. This is the situation. Linear finance was a swing trade. When you become a member, I will alert you and I will teach you the strategy so you can trade the main cryptos, swing trade, and also the same strategy you can use to trade stocks, guys. Okay, feel free to reach me out. Let's trade together because together we are strong. Trade crypto time at gmail.com. Guys, follow my Twitter account. I just put an update about Bitcoin, bulls versus bears, buyers versus sellers. You know the words, guys. Supply and demand. That's why drives the price. Okay, follow my Twitter account. It's free. Guys, in order to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out. Put your name on the private list, guys. You need your name on the private list. So you get your name on the private list, you'll be able to make the same profits I do. You just need to copy my trades. Daniel from Miami, thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.